Hello friends, this is Animesh and welcome to the Get Mantra. In this video, we are going to study about the complement. So, first we are going to see why we are using this complement. Okay, so this complement is used to represent a negative number in a number system. Okay, means if I want to represent the -8, okay, into number system, then we have to use the complement. By using complement, okay, by using complement we can represent a negative number in a any number system. Then for representing the negative number system in any number system, we are using these complements. Okay, so there are two type of the complements. First is r-1s complement. First one is r-1s complement and the second one is rs complement. Okay, the second one is rs complement. So one by one we are going to study these two. Okay, r-1s complement and rs complement. So first we are going to learn about the r-1s complement. First we are going to learn about the r-1s complement. Okay, so for doing the r-1s complements, let's see what are the steps which are necessary to perform the r-1s complement. So first step, what is the r? First we should know r is the radix of any number system. R is radix of number system. Okay, number system. So for performing the r-1s complement, first write the r-1. Okay, first write r-1 and second step is subtract the number which is given from this r-1. Okay, subtract the number okay, subtract the number given from r-1. So for performing the r-1s complement, our first step is write the r-1 and our second step is subtract the number which is given, means which we need to find the r-1s complement from that r-1. By example it will be more clear. Okay, by example it will be more clear. So let's see first our first example. Okay, given any number, okay, means 5294 in the decimal number system. Here r equal to 10, decimal number system. Then find its 9s complement. How we are going to find this 9s complement? So here r, what is the r? Here r is this 10. Okay, here r equal to 10 means it is a decimal number system. It is a decimal number system and we are going to find this 9s complement. And what is this? This is r-1. So what we have studied, that for performing r-1s complement, first write r-1 and then subtract the given number. This is the given number from r-1. So let's see what we are going to do. Then first we are writing here for decimal number system whose radix is 10, then r-1 will be equal to 9. So first write 9. Okay, how many times? 1 2 3 4 times. Write 9 4 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then subtract the given number from this r minus 1, then 5 to 9 4. Okay, 5 to 9 4, subtract 9 minus 4, it will be equal to 5, 9 minus 9 will be equal to 0, 9 minus 2 will be equal to 7, and 9 minus 5 equal to 4, and this is in decimal. Okay, so the 9s complement, so here the 9s complement, okay, 9s complement of 5 to 9 4 which are given into the decimal number system is 4705. Okay, so for performing the r minus 1s complement, first we write this r minus 1, this is the r minus 1, and then subtract the given number from r minus 1. Okay, let's see another example. Okay, example number 2. If a number given in the binary digit 1011, okay, then find its 1s complement. How we are going to find its 1s complement? So first write r minus 1, where r is 2, then r minus 1 will be 1. How many time? That many time that number, the digit present in the given number system. So how many time? 1 2 3 4, 4 time. So we will write 1 4 time, and then we are going to subtract this given number 1011 from this, and we are going to get the result 1 minus 1 equal to 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1, and 1 minus 0. Okay, this is in decimal number system. So the 1s complement, 1s complement of 1011, okay, which are given into the binary is 0100. There is a short trick from which we are going to find this. For in the binary case, we are going to find the 1s complement. How? See here, the given number is 1011. For finding the 1s complement, just put opposite of this. Okay, just put opposite of this. So here 1 will be converted to 0, 1 will be converted to 0, 0 will be converted to 1, and 1 will be converted to 0, and this is our given number. Okay, this is our given number, and this is our 1s complement. So for finding the 1s complement in the binary number system, there is a short trick. Okay, there is a shortcut. We need not write 111 and then we are going to subtract this. Instead of doing this, we are going to do this. Okay, just complement, just put the opposite of this. Okay, 1 one's opposite is 0, 1's opposite is 0, 0 opposite is 1, and 1 opposite is 0. Let's see the one more example. 2 4 5, okay, 1 given in octal. So our question is find 7s complement, find 7s complement of given number. So for finding the 7s complement, what we are going to do, first we are going to check the radix. Okay, what is the radix? Radix is 8, and we have to find the 7s complements, means this is the r minus 1. So here we have to find the r minus 1s complement. So for finding r minus 1s complement, we first write the r minus 1. How many time? That many time the integer digit present into the given number. So we have write 7 4 time. Okay, we are going to write 7 4 times, and then we are going to subtract the given number. Okay, the given number 2 4 5 1, and what we are going to get here 6, here 2, here 3, and here 5. So the 9th complement of this number, sorry, the 7th complement of this number is 5 3 2 6. Okay, here is solution. So I hope we have learned about the r minus 1's complement, okay, by this all examples. So now let's going to start the rs complement, our second one, rs complement. So for finding rs complement, what we are going to follow, we are going to follow the two steps. What is first step is first find r minus 1's complement. First find r minus 1's complements, okay, and then our second step is add 1 to lsb, okay, or we can say here lsb, least significant digit or least significant bit, least significant bit or least significant digit. Okay, so first we are going to find the r minus 1's complement, and then we are going to add 1 to the least significant digit to for finding the 2's complement. So let's see with example. Let's see with example. The given here, the given number is 5 4 9 2, given in decimal, and our question is find its 10's complement. So here is our solution is, first we are going to check this radix. This radix is 10, and we are going to see what complements it is going to ask. So it is asking about the 10's complements, means it's asking about the rs complement. Okay, it's asking about the rs complement. So for finding the rs complement, first we are going to find the r minus 1's complement. So for finding r minus 1's complement, first write r minus 1 that many times integer digit present into the that number, that many times we are going to write r minus 1. So for this we are going to write 9 4 times, and then we are going to subtract this number. Okay, this number 5 4 9 2, then here is the 9 minus 2 will be equal to 7 0 5 4 7 0, sorry, 5 4 0 7. This is our 9's complement. Okay, and for finding the 10's complement, what we are going to do, we are going to add 1 into the lsd. So here we are going to add 1 to the lsd. So 7 plus 1 8. Okay, can we put 8 here? Yeah, we can put 8 here because 8 is less than the r minus 1. Here r minus 1 will be equal to 9. Here 0 5 and 4. So okay, so 10's complement of 10's complement of the given number, that is 5492, is 4508. So for finding the 10's complement or rs complement, we first find the r minus 1 complement, and then we add 1 to the lsd. Okay, I hope it will be clear, and we are also going to see the two more example. Okay, we are going to see the two more example for this. Let's, our second example is A C 16. Find its 16th complement. For finding 16 complement, we are going to first check about the radix. So here radix is 16. Okay, means it is a hexadecimal number, and here it's asked to find the RS complement. Okay, this is 16 complement. So for finding the RS complement, first we have to find the R minus 1s complement. For finding R minus 1s complement, we are going to write R minus 1, okay, 3 times. So here R minus 1 will be equal to F, and here we are going to write the given number 4AC, and then we are going to subtract. Then F minus C, F will be equivalent to 15 and C will be equivalent to 13. Sorry, C will be equivalent to 12. So here F minus C will be equal to 3, and F minus A will be equivalent to 10, then F minus A will be equal to 5. Okay, F minus 4, F is equivalent to 15, and 15 minus 4 will be equal to 11, and B is equivalent to 11. Okay, so this is our 15 complement. This is our 15 complement. So for find the 16 complement, we are going to add 1 into the LSD. So we are going to add 1 to the LSD. So here it will be equal to 4, 3 plus 1 4, here 5, and here B. So we can say that the 16 complement of the given number 4AC, okay, is V54. Next, let's move to the another example. Here the question is 1101, okay, to find is 2s complement. So for finding the 2s complement, first we have to find the 1s complement. So for finding the 1s complement, first we have to write the 1 up to 4 times, and then we are going to subtract the given number. So what we are going to get here, 0 1 0 0, and then we are going to add 1 to the LSD. So here 1 1 0 0. So the 2s complement of this number is 0 0 1 1. Here is shortcut. How we are going to find the 2s complement in the case of the binary. Okay, so first write the given number 1101, and what we are going to see, we are going to move from right to left. We are going to move from right to left, and see here 1 occur first time, so we are going to write 1 here, and then we are going to complement the each digit. So we are going to write opposite of 0, that is 1 1 0 and 1 0. So it's 0 0 1 1. Let's see the another example in the case of the binary. Here 10102, find its 2s complement. So for find its 2s complement. For finding 2s complement, okay, first we are going to find 1s complement, and then we add 1 to the LSD. We are going to do direct here. Okay, so first see the first time where the 1s appear, where the 1 appear. So here we will write 0 directly, we will write 0, okay, here, and then we move to here we are going to write 1. When the 1 occurs, then after that we are going to inverse all the digit, we are going to complement, or we are going to write the opposite of all the digits. So here we are going to write 1, and here we are going to write 0. 6. तो 2s कंप्लीमेंट पाने के लिए फॉर द बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम, जब तक 1 नहीं आता है तब तक जो है वही लिखेंगे, जब तक 1 नहीं आता है तब तक जो है वही लिखेंगे, and after getting the 1 we are just going to complement, or we are going to write opposite of this given number, we are going to write opposite of this given number. Let's see one more example. Okay, sorry, 0 1 0 1, right here 0. We are going to find its 2s complement. So first when will be the 1 complement, when will be the 1 appear first time? So 1 appear first time here, okay. So write before 1, write all digit as it is, okay, as it is, 0 0, here 1, and after getting 1 first time, write opposite to this, 1 1 0 0, 2s complement. Let's check it. First write 1 1 1 1, then 0 1 0 0. So here it will be the 1, after subtracting it will be the 1 0 and 1, add plus 1 to the LSD, okay, add plus 1 to the LSD. After adding plus 1 here, it will be equal to 1 plus 1 0. We are going to pass carry here, 1 plus 1 again 0, this is plus sign, okay, not 1, 1 plus 1 again 0, we are going to pass carry here, and then 1 plus 0 it will equal to 1, and here it will be equal to 1, then this is the 1 1 0 0. See here we are getting the same things, 1 1, see here we are getting same thing, 1 1 0 0, here we are getting 1 1 0 0, here also we are getting 1 1 0 0. So we have cross check that our shortcut is working or not. So what we are going to do, first we are going to write the number as it is, okay, before the 1 come first time. After getting the ones, we are just going to write the opposite of the given number. So I hope this we have clear this concept to find the r and the r minus 1s complements, and how we are why we are using the r and r minus 1s complement, or why we are using the complement. So we are using the complement for representing the negative number in a number system. For representing the any negative number in a number system, we are going to use the complement, okay, we are going to use the complement. So there is a two type of complement, r minus 1s complement and rs complement. Here is the two type of the complement, r minus 1s complement and the 1s complement, okay. So first we have seen the r minus 1s complement. For finding the r minus 1s complement, we are going to write r minus 1 how many time, that many time that integer or total number, okay, with decimal or without decimal present in a given number. So, here we didn't see any example with a decimal, that we are going to see later, okay. So first write r minus 1, first write r minus 1 that many time that the number present in that number system, and then subtract that given number from r minus 1 for finding the r minus 1s complement. For finding the rs complement, okay, what we are going to see, for finding the rs complement, what we are going to see, simply find first r minus 1s complement, okay, first find r minus 1s complement, and then 1 and then add 1 to the LSD. So let's see here the one more example. डिसमल में सीखेंगे इस बार. Okay, example, or we are going to see here r minus 1 and r both the complement. Okay, in the decimal, right here 5 4 2 3 1 6 5. Okay, in the octal. Our question is here, find 7s complement and its complement. Our question is here to find 7 complement and the 8 complement, its complements of given number. So for finding the r minus 1's complement, okay, here r is 8, it's given, the number is given into the octal, so this is r minus 1 and this is r. So first find the r minus 1's complement, then we are going to find the r, because for finding the r's complement we have to calculate r minus 1. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to write r minus 1 times r minus 1, how many time, this many time. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 number of time. So first what is the r minus 1, that is 7, so write 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 number of time. Okay, then subtract the given number, what is this, 5 4 2 3 6 5. Okay, so after subtracting, okay, 7 minus 5 2, 7 minus 6 1, 7 minus 3 4, 7 minus 2 5, 7 minus 4 3, and 7 minus 5 2. Okay, put decimal digit here. Okay, so this, what is this, this is the 7s complement, 7s complement, this is 7s complement. For finding the 8s complement, we are going to simply add 1 to the LSD, add 1 to the LSD. So see here, we are simply going to add 1 to the LSD. So 2 plus 1 3, 1 plus 0 1, here 4 5 and 2 and 3, right here 1. So what we have seen, the 8s complement of this given number, this, okay, the 8s complement is 2354.13 and the 7s complement is 2354.12. okay, I hope this will be clear to the all of you. In the decimal we have seen in the digit, now integer digit. In this example we are going to we have seen in the decimal digit also. Same procedure for both the integer digit as well as decimal digit, if the number present in the integer as well as decimal digit, same procedure. Okay, after that we are going to see how we are perform the addition, how we are going to perform the subtraction by using the r minus 1's complement as well as r's complement. So by using r minus 1's complement and r's complement, how we are going to subtract this two number system. So first see with the r's complement how we are going to perform the subtraction with r minus 1's complement. just suppose we have taken the two number, this is the m and this is the n. okay, what we are going to say here, n को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं और हम लोग m को क्या बोलते हैं, what we are going to see, what we are going to tell और pronunciate the m and the n. तो n को हम लोग बोलते हैं सबट्रेहेंड और m को हम लोग बोलते हैं मिनुएंड. हम लोग को ये जरूर नहीं है ये जानना. ओके, सिंपली हम लोग इजी लैंग्वेज में समझते हैं. ओके, ये कभी गेट में पूछेगा भी नहीं वैसे गेट यस में कि इसको क्या बोलते हैं. ओके, so first we are going to perform the subtraction with the r minus 1s complement. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले जो ये नंबर दिया है n, उसका हम लोग क्या फाइंड करेंगे, r minus 1s complement फाइंड करेंगे. सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या फाइंड करेंगे, हम लोग r minus 1s complement फाइंड करेंगे. किसका, इस नंबर का, किसका, n का. ओके, n का. उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, हम लोग इस r minus 1s complement को हम लोग ऐड करेंगे टू दिस m. इस m को हम लोग ऐड करेंगे विथ दिस r minus 1s complement. एंड अगर इसमें दो कंडीशन बनता है ऐड करने के बाद, अगर कैरी जनरेट हुआ, अगर कैरी जनरेट हुआ तो हम लोग उसको ऐड कर देंगे कहाँ, LSD में. एंड इफ कैरी नॉट जनरेटेड, अगर कैरी नहीं जनरेट हुआ तो सिंपली हम लोग जो रिजल्ट आया है उसका r minus 1s complement ले लेंगे, r minus 1s complement ले लेंगे एंड हम लोग निगेटिव साइन उससे पहले पुट कर देंगे. सिंपल है. इसमें स्टेप क्या है, फर्स्ट स्टेप हम लोग 2s complement फाइंड करेंगे. ओके, हम लोग 2s complement फाइंड करेंगे. इसका हम लोग 2s complement फाइंड करेंगे, n का, सॉरी नॉट 2s, सॉरी, हम लोग क्या फाइंड करेंगे, r minus 1s complement. ओके, r minus 1s complement हम लोग फाइंड करेंगे. r minus 1s complement फाइंड करेंगे किसका, n का. उसके बाद सेकेंड स्टेप क्या है हम लोग का, हम लोग जो m है उसमें r minus 1s complement जो n का आया है उसको ऐड करेंगे, उसको ऐड करेंगे. जो r minus 1s complement आया है m का, n का, उसको हम लोग n में, m में ऐड करेंगे. ओके, सबसे पहले हम लोग n का r minus 1s complement लेंगे. उसके बाद उसको हम लोग ऐड करेंगे किस में, m में, m में. थर्ड स्टेप क्या है कि इफ़ कैरी जनरेटेड, अगर कैरी जनरेट हुआ कहाँ, हवा में नहीं, कैरी जनरेट हुआ अगर रिजल्ट में. ओके, हवा में कैरी नहीं जनरेट हुआ, अगर रिजल्ट में कैरी जनरेट हुआ, अगर रिजल्ट में कैरी जनरेट हुआ तो सिंपली हम लोग उसको ऐड कर देंगे, उस कैरी को ऐड टू LSD, लिस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट डिजिट में हम लोग उसको ऐड कर देंगे. एंड फोर स्टेप, इफ कैरी इज नॉट जनरेटेड, कैरी, इफ कैरी इज नॉट जनरेटेड, और कैरी जनरेट नहीं हुआ किसमें, रिजल्ट में, किसमें, रिजल्ट में, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, कैरी नहीं जनरेट हुआ तो हम लोग सिंपली जो रिजल्ट है उसका हम लोग r minus 1s complement लेंगे, रिजल्ट का r minus 1s complement लेंगे और उसमें हम लोग रिजल्ट का r minus 1s complement लेने के बाद हम लोग उसमें निगेटिव साइन पुट कर देंगे. I don't think there will be confusion up to here. Okay, it's all will be crystal clear. हम लोग को क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना है. हम लोग को सिंपली n को r minus 1s complement फाइंड करना है n का, और उसके बाद हम लोग उसको m से ऐड करना है. एंड अगर कैरी जनरेट हुआ तो उसको LSD में ऐड करना है. एंड अगर कैरी नहीं जनरेट हुआ तो उस नंबर जो रिजल्ट है उसका r minus 1s complement लेना है एंड निगेटिव साइन उसके आगे हम लोग को पुट कर देना है. सिंपली, सिंपल है ये. एक एग्जाम्पल देख लेते हैं हम लोग, एक क्या बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल देख लेते हैं। एक नंबर दिया हुआ, ठीक, 4592 माइनस 2452, और हम लोग को इसको सबट्रैक्ट करना है बाय यूजिंग 9s कॉम्प्लीमेंट। यूजिंग 9s कॉम्प्लीमेंट। क्यों 9s कॉम्प्लीमेंट? क्योंकि यहाँ पे रेडिक्स कितना है, 10 है। रेडिक्स कितना है यहाँ पे, 10 है, और हम लोग अभी r-1s कॉम्प्लीमेंट से सबट्रैक्शन पढ़े हैं, और r-1 9 होगा इसीलिए। ओके, तो सबसे पहले क्या करना है हम लोग को, ये m हो गया और ये n हो गया, तो n का सबसे पहले हम लोग को r-1s कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेना है। तो r-1s कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेने के लिए क्या करते हैं हम लोग, जितने बार इसमें जितने डिजिट हैं उतने टाइम 9 लिखते हैं, एंड देन हम लोग ये जो डिजिट दिया है उसको लिखेंगे और सिंपली हम लोग सबट्रैक्ट कर देंगे। सो आफ्टर सबट्रैक्टिंग वी आर गोइंग टू गेट 9 - 5 इक्वल टू 7, सॉरी 9 - 2 इक्वल टू 7, 9 - 5 इक्वल टू 4, 9 - 4 5 and 9 - 2 7। ओके, 7 5 4 7, and after performing the r-1s complement, what we are going to do, we are going to add this number with m. So what is m? M is our 4 5 9 and 2, and we are going to add 4 5 4 and 7. Okay, this we are going to add in this. So 7 plus 2 9. Okay, 9 plus 4 13. So we write simply 13 here. No, it's wrong, we cannot write 13 here. We cannot write 13 here. Why? Because its radix is 10 and we can put the maximum number in this number system up to the 9 in the decimal number system. So we cannot write 13 here. 9 plus 4 equal to 13. So we are going to subtract this given number. So we are going to subtract, okay, what, 10 from 13, and that we are going to write will be equal to 3. We are going to write 3 here. हम लोग यहाँ पे 3 लिख देंगे और 1 को हम लोग कैरी बना के आगे दे देंगे। ओके, ठीक है। Then 5 plus 5 10 and 10 plus 1 11. 11 we are going to write 1. 11 minus 10 will be equal to 1, and 1 we are going to pass as a carry. Then 7 plus 1 8, and 8 plus 2, that is 12. Then 12 minus 10 equal to 2. We are going to write 2 here, and we are going to pass here carry. So here the carry will be 1. Okay, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 we are going to write 3 here, we are going to pass the 1 carry. And 5 plus 5 10, and 10 plus 1 11, we are going to write 1, and we are going to pass carry. 7 plus 1 8, and 8 plus 4 12, we write 2 here, and we will pass carry 1 here. Okay, and write 1 here. Okay, carry, this is the carry. सबसे पहले तो ये पता चले कि कैरी यहाँ पे ये है, और यहाँ पे कैरी जनरेट हो गया है। So if the carry is generated, what we are going to do for the r-1s subtraction, just we are going to add this carry 1 to the LSD. Okay, now the 9 plus 1 will be equal to 10, or what we are going to write for 10 0, and we are going to pass carry here, and 3 plus 1 will be equal to 4, and here 1, here 2, and here 1. Okay, and this will be in the decimal number system. So after subtracting the 2 4 5 2 from 4, after subtracting what we are subtracting this, okay, 2 4 5 2 from 4 5 from okay from 4 5 9 2 we are going to get how much 1 2 sorry, let's see here 0 and 3 4 1 and 2 here it will be not equal to 1 कैरी को तो हम लोग ऐड कर दिए ना फिर कैरी कहाँ से आ गया इसमें कैरी को तो हम लोग ले जाकर पीछे ऐड कर दिए तो 0 and 3 plus 1 4 and here 1 and here 2 so after subtracting this okay इसको हम लोग सबस्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद 4592 से हम लोग का ये रिजल्ट आया हम लोग सिंपली सबस्ट्रैक्ट करके देख लें इतना हंगामा क्यों ओके सिंपली हम लोग देखते हैं 4592 व्हाट वी हैव स्टडी इन आवर LKG UKG 452452 what we are going to get here 0 4 5 minus 4 1 and 2 2140 then we have got in this single step okay we have got in the single step we have got in the single steps then why we are going to do all that sheets because this will be help in calculating the subtraction in the 8s complement or in the 7s complement or in any complement okay it's given into the decimal number system so it seems to be easy but if it would be given into the other number system then it will be looking little bit tricky okay little bit tricky it will be looking that's why so I hope this will be clear to all of you and if it's not clear we are going to see the one more example अब यहाँ पे हम लोग देखते हैं किसमें ऑक्टल में देखते हैं ओके और फिर हम लोग देखेंगे कि ये जो हम लोग डायरेक्ट करते थे LKG में UKG में ये हम लोग बचपन से ही सीखे थे इसलिए हम लोग को ये इजी लगता था बाकी ये इसका प्रोसेस है ओके और ऑक्टल में हम लोग देखते हैं कि कितना इजी लगता है ओके लेते हैं 4 5 6 3 इन द ऑक्टल वी आर गोइंग टू ईयर हम लोग स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं क्या 4 2 1 3 नाउ सी सबसे पहले यहाँ पे देखेंगे एम क्या है एम ये है एन क्या है एन ये है और ये क्या है एम है हम लोग सब स्टार्ट इसको कर रहे हैं किसमें 7s कम्प्लीमेंट से 7s कम्प्लीमेंट से हम लोग ये सब स्ट्रक्शन परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं सबसे पहले इसका हम लोग एन का 7s कम्प्लीमेंट लेंगे ओके 7s कम्प्लीमेंट लेने के लिए हम लोग 7 7 कितने टाइम लिख देंगे 4 टाइम लिख देंगे और जो n नंबर दिया है उसको ले लेंगे 4 2 1 3 एंड व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू सबट्रैक्शन हियर एंड व्हाट वी आर गेट 7 minus 3 4 7 minus 1 6 7 minus 2 5 7 minus 4 again 3 okay 7 minus 3 4 7 minus 1 6 7 minus 2 5 and 7 minus 4 3 this we are going to get in the octal okay and our second step this is our first step second step what will be our second step simply write this 4 5 6 and 3 and add this 3 5 6 and 4 this will be our second step we are going to add okay this number okay into the m so after performing addition 3 plus 1 7 we can write 7 here 6 plus 6 12 can we write 12 here no we are going to subtract 8 from 12 12 minus 8 will be equal to 4 then we are going to write 4 here and we are going to pass carry here then 5 plus 5 10 and 1 11 3 we are going to write 3 here and we will pass 1 here. Okay, then 4 plus 3 what, 7, and 7 plus 1 8. We cannot write 8 here. 8 minus 8 will be equal to 0, and we are going to pass carry here, and this carry we can write here. So the carry is generated here. After performing this addition, carry is generated. So what we are going to do, just we are going to add this into the least significant digit. We are going to add carry. Then 7 plus 1 8, we are going to write 0 here, and we will pass carry here. And 4 plus 1 5, okay, 3 and 0. This is in octal. So after performing the subtraction in the 7th complement, we after subtracting the 4 to 1 3 from 4 5 6 3, we have got this as a result. Okay, 0 3 5 0. Okay, now I hope it will be the crystal clear to all of the students that how we are going to do the r minus 1s complement, how we are going to do rs complement, and how we are going to perform the subtraction in the r minus 1s complement. Now we are going to see how we perform the subtraction in the rs complement. Okay, so subtraction, our heading will be subtraction with rs complement. So there again there will be the two number m minus n. So first we are going to write the 2s complement. What our steps, right here steps. Okay, our first step, we are going to find 2s complement. We are going to find what, 2s complement of n. Okay, what will be our second step? Add what, m plus 2s complement of n. Okay, what we are going to get after doing the 2s complement of n, we just add with that m. Okay, our third step is to see the carry. If carry is generated, we are going to discard that carry. We are going to neglect, or we are going to discard that carry. And if carry is not generated, what we are going to do, we are going to take the, again we have written 2 here. Okay, it will be not 2, it will be r. We are going to, ये हम लोग इतना बाइनरी पढ़ते हैं कि हमेशा दिमाग में बाइनरी ही रह जाता है. ओके, इसी वालों के साथ दिक्कत होता है. After studying too much binary, we always think about binary. Okay, so here we are going to find the rs complement. Okay, rs complement of result, and we are going to put negative sign. before that. Let's see with the example. Okay, first we are going to find the RS complement of the n, then we are going to add m with that RS complement, and if the carry is generated we are just going to neglect or we are going to discard that carry, and if carry is not generated we are going to find the RS complement of the result, and just we are putting the negative sign in the front of the result. Okay, let's see one example. Let's see this time in decimal, sorry, in binary. 1010. Okay, and this is 0110. 0110. Subtract using 2s complement. So what we are going to do, we are going to find the 2s complement. First, see here, it is the m and this is the n. First we are going to find the 2s complement of the n. So by using shortcut we have write 2s complement, जब तक 1 ना आ जाए फर्स्ट टाइम तब तक जो है वही लिखेंगे, क्या लिखेंगे, 1 and 0, and after getting 1 we are just going to complement the things. Here it will be 0 and 1. Okay, 0 1 0 and 1, and then what we are going to do, we are going to add with 1 0 1 0. This is the step first, and our second step is write 1 0 1 0. This is m, and we are going to write 1 0 1 0. This is 2s complement of n, and what we have seen here, 0 0. Okay, 1 1 0, and what we are going to put carry here, 1 plus 0 0, and 1 1 0 again carry here. So here carry is generated. Okay, carry is generated. This is carry is generated. So what we are going to do, we are just going to discard this carry, and result will be the 0 0 0 0. Is this possible? We have made some mistake here. Okay, what we are going to do, just find 2s complement of this, then 0 1. Okay, 0 and 1, and we are going to add 0 0, and here it will be 1, and what we have written here, it will be 1, and what we have written 0. Silly mistake. Cost you more. Okay, silly mistake will be cost you more. 0, and this is 0 1, and this is 1 here. So after performing the subtraction we are going to get the result 0 1 0 0 in the binary. Yes, subtraction, if we are going to find this step really difficult, although this is the easy. Okay, this is a step is easy. We are going to convert this in decimal. Okay, we are going to convert this in decimal. तो decimal में ये 10 हो जाएगा, कन्वर्ट करने हम लोग पहले ही देखे थे, और decimal में ये 0 1 2 3 कितना हुआ, 6 हुआ, और अगर 10 में से 6 को सब्सट्रैक्ट किए हम लोग तो आया 4, और इसको हम लोग कन्वर्ट कर लिए 0 1 0, सॉरी नॉट 0 1 0, 0 1 2 3, और इसको भी हम लोग डिसिमल में कन्वर्ट कर लिए तो आया 4, और हम लोग का रिजल्ट मैच कर गया. ये क्रॉस चेक हुआ. ओके, अगर हम लोग को डिफ़िकल्टी फील हो रहा है, ओके, इन फाइंडिंग, in doing all this step into the binary, just we are going to convert these two given number m and n into the decimal. और डिसमल में तो हम लोग बचपन से करते आ रहे हैं, तो हम लोग इसको में तो फोड़ देंगे। ओके, और बाकी ये स्टेप भी इजी है। ओके, so what we have seen in this lecture, first we have seen how we are going to uh, find the RS complement and R minus 1s complement. First, before that we have seen what is the use of complement. Okay, then R minus 1s complement, then RS complement. After that we have seen how we are going to perform the subtraction in R minus 1s complement as well as RS complement. In the next lecture, what we are going to see, we are going to in the next lecture what we are going to see, we are going to start with a new topic in the first chapter, that is number system representation. Okay, or we can see data representation. So if we are feeling any doubt, please feel free to comment in the video, and also if you have some doubt, then feel free to join our telegram channel or telegram group, that is t.me get mantra. We will find this into the description, this telegram channel link. Okay, okay, thank you then.